Congratulations on starting your journey to better hearing. In this video, we will go over the next steps to prepare you for your upcoming appointment with our partner provider. First, let's cover what's in the box. In the box, you will find the following items: your appointment card containing your appointment date, time and provider address, user manual and quick start guide, domes and receivers. In the charger box you will see the charging cable and charging case. Inside the charging case you will find your pair of hearing aids. Don't worry, our provider will review all components with you during the appointment. For now we will just look at our hearing aids and charger. Let's cover how to charge your hearing aids. First, connect the charger to the power. Do this by first connecting at the case, then connecting to the power outlet. Now put the hearing aids in the charging slots. Remember, blue is for the left ear and red is for the right ear. A normal charge should take between 3 to 4 hours. All lights will appear green when device is fully charged. Lastly, a few key reminders. First, please bring your devices fully charged with you to your appointment. It's important to note that the devices will automatically turn on if removed from the charging case. The devices may also automatically turn on if left in the charging case but the case is unplugged. Thus, we recommend simply leaving them in the case plugged in charging until you take them to your appointment. Secondly, it's important you do not wear your devices until the appointment. We know you are eager to try them on, but please wait until the provider properly customizes and sets them up for your personal needs. We are all set for your appointment. Once again, congratulations. We cannot wait for you to experience the life-changing benefits of hearing aids. Have a great day.